this is Shafaqat Ali and welcome back to a new video on Android development. Friend, in this video I will show you how to create a new project in Android Studio. So first of all, click on start a new Android Studio project, and here you select empty activity and click on next. Here you need to type some name. So here I type my project name is my first project, and the second one is package name. Package name is the specific name of your application. There are millions or billions of applications that are available on Play Store. Every application have a unique ID. So this is a unique ID of that applications. In my case it will remain same, or if you want to change you can. And the third one is the project location. If you want to change the location of your project, just click on this icon and select the location. Here, fourth one is language. Here you need to select your language, Kotlin or Java. In my case I select Java. The fifth one is select Android version. Here is the list of Android versions and API levels are available on this drop down menu. You select any one. In my case I select Android 4.0 and click on finish. Project is loading now. Let's try to build Gradle. Okay, the project is successfully built now. You can see on the left side of Android Studio all the project files are available. One more thing about Android Studio, you need to download some more tool of Android Studio. Now click on this icon and then click on SDK tools. You need to download all these checked files if you are not already downloaded. So click on all these one by one and install it, and then press OK. Your project is ready to go. There is no need to download these tools again and again. In the next video we will download Android emulator. So see you in next video. Thank you.